What place has the artist in the age of mechanization? Guillermo Madania has the answer. It depends on who's in command, man or machine. He has bent the typewriter to his will, creating a new artistic medium out of the few dozen arbitrary black and white symbols the keyboard produces. The result? A singular imitation of life. Amazingly faithful portraits, it's part-time work for this Spanish civil servant, but he's already won several awards for his typewriter art, proving the artist's tools are less important than his heart and skill. You just have to know your P's and Q's.